Good morning, guys. Today I'll take you through a pretty typical morning in my life before I go to work. So for all of you who don't know, I work at a pharmacy. When I work morning shifts at 9 a.m., I just wake up at 7 and I do find that I have enough time to do all of my things before I have to go to work. I try to stay as active as possible, especially when the weather has been so good. So 2 to 3 times a week, I will either go for a morning run or light at home Pilates or gym. So I like to do all of these activities before work. But before we start any of that, let me make my bed first.
Let's start our class. So, keep drawing your navel in. Just 8 more. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Carefully release your hands and let's come. Then carefully lift your chest, cross your class with me. Open your eyes. Inhale, reach your arms up.
It's time to do my skincare. Ever since I got the Age-R booster, I'm using it every single morning. And I just use it for 5 minutes and that's it.
Booster mode. Level 1. Level 2. Level 3. Level 4.
I'm just doing circular motions with booster mode level 4 to 5.
Microcurrent. Level 4.
I love blush. Let me show you my current favorite ones. This is the Lily by Red Love Beam Cheek Balm in the shade 03, super natural. Then I have Catrice Cheek Lover blush. This is in the shade 10, Dahlia Blossom. This is a super pretty light pink marble blush. And last but not least, we have the Dior Backstage Face Palette in the shade 4, Rose Gold. I love this pink as a blush topper, and then I use these as highlighters. I've been loving powder with this brush from Real Techniques. It's the setting brush. This is a perfect brush size for getting under the eyes and also on your T-zone. Lightly pat, 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 and set my makeup. I already applied the lip tint. Then I realized I forgot to apply lip liner, so I'm just gonna apply some now. I always do glossy lips, so I'm gonna use this lip shimmer. I don't wear perfume to work. I just wear this peach scented hand cream all over my body pretty much. About that much. And then just rub it on my hands first. Then I apply it to the back of my neck. Some on my chest. And then whatever's left, I just apply it to my hair. I wish you guys could smell this. It's not a sickly sweet peach scent, it's just a fresh peach.